In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders externally in Sharepoint and OneDrive. Sharing files externally might sound a bit complex at first, but it's actually a straightforward process that can enhance your teamwork and collaboration capabilities significantly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account. Open the web browser of your choice and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Now, enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at Microsoft's account home screen. From here, take a moment to locate the Apps Launcher icon. It's typically situated in the top left corner of your screen and resembles a grid of small squares. Click on this launcher icon, and you'll be greeted with a list of available applications. For this demonstration, we're going to focus on OneDrive, so go ahead and select the OneDrive icon. Doing this will navigate you directly to your OneDrive dashboard, where all your folders and files are stored neatly. Now, direct your attention to the section labeled My Files. This area is essentially the home for all the documents, images, and other files that you've stored in OneDrive. Once here, you'll want to navigate through your files and locate the specific file or folder you wish to share. Found it? Great! Now take your mouse, right-click on it, and you'll see a context menu appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Share. Give it a click. After clicking Share, you'll see a dialog box pop up. This box is your gateway to sharing. It allows you to specify with whom you wish to share the particular file or folder. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file or folder with. Double-check those emails, as it's vital to ensure that your files reach the right people. Once you're confident the email addresses are accurate, look for the Send button, and click it. This action will send an email invitation to your selected recipients, granting them access to the file or folder you've chosen to share. However, if you prefer not to send an email, there's another way. You can opt to copy a link instead. Clicking this option will generate a link that you can easily copy and paste into a chat, an email, or any other communication tool you use. This alternative way allows you to share access more flexibly. It's also worth noting that the process is very similar in Sharepoint. Whether you're managing company files in Sharepoint or personal files in OneDrive, the steps for sharing externally are consistent. This consistency provides a seamless experience when switching between platforms during collaborative projects. And there you have it. You've just mastered how to efficiently share files and folders externally in Sharepoint and OneDrive. Now, you can seamlessly share your work with external collaborators, making teamwork simpler and more efficient.